Welcome to Shamshakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School, Maltad online classes. Myself, Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, I hope you all enjoying our online learning. So, in previous lecture, we see a very beautiful poem, Strawberry. You understand this poem? So, student, in this lecture, today we are going to learn Strawberry poems exercise. So, student, today we see some questions on this poem, Strawberry. So, now I read one by one question and answer. You listen carefully. Okay? So, first question is, which are the two different places where strawberries grow? So, answer is, strawberries grow in gardens and also in the woods near streams.